Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the trading 212 error code 6931239. As per our research, this error occurs when users try to log into their trading 212 account. According to our research, the error is likely caused by some temporary issues with the user device or trading 212 system. The first thing we suggest is to close everything and restart your device. Once your device restarts, try logging in again and check if the error still comes. If you still see the error and you are using the Trading 212 app, check if you need to update the app. If an update is available, install it and try again. However, if you're using the Trading 212 website from a browser, check if your browser needs an update. If the error still persists, try switching between their mobile app and the website. If you're using the Trading 212 website, try logging in through the mobile app instead. Similarly, if you're using the app, try accessing the website. If none of the previous steps work, then the issue can also be related to your account, so you should reach out to Trading 212 support for further assistance. To do this, visit trading212.com and select the contact option from the main menu. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.